Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasari Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Rama 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 कंटिन्यू हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ। हम लोग श्री भजन रहस्य अष्टम जाम साधन मिलन की लिता संभव विधान की कथा हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे हैं, जिसमें भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर बहुत सुंदर रूप में वर्णन कर रहे हैं कि ये किस प्रकार साधक भजन साधन करते करते अपने स्वरूप की उपलब्धि तथा अपनी सेवा पूजोगी शरीर के द्वारा राधा गोविंद की सेवा की प्रार्थना हो रही। पहले श्लोक में हम लोग श्रवण किया था कि दुर्गा देवी से किस प्रकार संगीत विद्या अध्ययन करें और वो संगीत विद्या आदि स्वयं करके कमनीय सुमधुर कंठ कोकिल के मधुर कुहू कुहू ध्वनि के पराभूत करने वाली ऐसे समय अर्थात स्वर से अत्यंत मादक मधुर रस से गान करते श्री राधा माधव के आनंदित करें और आनंदित होकर के राधा माधव हमें कैसे सुंदर अमूल्य हार अलंकार आदि उपहार स्वरूप प्रदान करेंगे। इस पारितोषिक प्राप्ति
So, yesterday we have heard the shlok text number 22. Text number 22. So we are discussing about this, that how we have heard that may Vishakha, whose voice is sweeter than the cuckoo, teach me the captivating art of singing. With that singing, I will please the youthful couple Shri Radha Krishna during the Ras dance, and again. They will reward me with jeweled lockets, necklace, and other gifts. So, if some students get any lesson from the teachers, and after getting the lessons, and they use accordingly that lessons, so at that time that teacher, he pleased so much, just like Guru Dronacharya and Arjun. Guru Dronacharya taught the archery to Arjun. So he given all kinds of astra shiksha to Arjun. So at the battle place, when Arjun was so much, so he performed all these kinds of vidya, and he pleased to Dronacharya, and Dronacharya was so much pleased after seeing this whole thing. Even Guru Kaurav, Even the both
कौरवों के पक्ष
both were the different sides. Like Dronacharya was in the sides of Kaurav and Arjun was in the sides of Pandavas.
अर्जुन युधिष्ठिर महाराज के पक्ष में
Arjun was the side of Yudhishthir Maharaj.
किंतु
But
अर्जुन
still,
जब ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर बाण
when Arjun was
बाण माने
arrow,
arrow,
when Arjun was throwing so much beautiful arrow, so seeing that Dronacharya was so much pleased.
आठ। तो ये समस्त जो है
So
दिखा। ठीक
these
उसी
all
प्रकार
is showed in this
विशाखा
way.
देवी,
So in the same way, Vishaka Devi,
फिर रति मंजरी आदि को जो है ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर संगीत
she
कला की
taught
विद्या,
so beautiful lesson like music
शिक्षा
and
में
other
कला
arts
करके,
when she became
है,
to Rati Manjari, and when Rati Manjari was so much
जब
experts in all these things, and when they were performing their arts before the Vishaka Devi, so she was very happy.
इसलिए सीतास गोस्वामी अपने
So in this way, Shridas Goswami
रति मंजरी के जुगल सेवा साधन के लिए है वैदग्ध्यपूर्ण पूर्ववासित परिहासमय वाणिज्य शिक्षा पाने के लिए उत्कंठित होते हैं। इस परम सुसाधु माधव मधुर रस संबंधी
So Rati Manjari considered herself blessed to sing songs filled with a variety of rasas and fragrant with cleverness in stimulating amorous feelings. She sang these songs. So in the Manas Shiksha, Das Goswami described in the same way
ये ललिता से शिक्षा ग्रहण करेंगे, विशाखा से
that
रासलीला
in the Manas Shiksha he is also describing that I will get the lesson from the Lalita Devi and Vishaka Devi.
तथा गोविंद लीलामृत ग्रंथ में बना, ये गीत गोविंद में बना। गीत गोविंद में भी ऐसे से सुंदर कथाओं
So in the Geet Govind there are many kinds of kathas are described.
वर इंदीवर श्रेणी श्यामल कोमलोद्भव संगी संगोत्वम सच्छंद ब्रज सुंदरीभीतम प्रसंग आलिभिडिंगितम सिंगार सखी मूर्तिमानितो मुग्धो हरि क्रीडयति।
So now we are going to describe the text number 23rd of Bhajan Rasa, which is described in the Shriji Govind Geet Govind Granth 1.48. Describe the ecstasy of the ras and the internal ras vilas of Shri Krishna and the Vraj Sundaris. O Sakhi, who gives pleasure and bliss to all the gopis, whose limbs are blush black, very soft and resemble blue lotuses, whose qualities awaken the festival of Gandharva.
गोपियों की अंग प्रसंग में आलिंगित ये कृष्ण बसंत काल में मूर्तिमान श्रृंगार की भांति क्रीड़ा कर रहे हैं।
So whose qualities awaken the festival of Gandharva, Cupid, that lies dormant within the gopis' hearts, and who is embraced by each and every limbs of the gopis, that Krishna is sporting like amorous love personified in the spring session. Madhuratu Mandarkantapati, like this Shloka is Gurudev Payar is reciting. Madhur Madhur Rasagana Madhur Vidyapati Bhana. So the crown jewel of connotations of mellows, Dhir Lalit Nayak Vrajendra Nandan Shri Krishna Chandra appears as Kamdev personified and relishes Shringara Ras with the Braj Devis. One Sakhi informs her friend that in a nearby forest of Kunjas, Shri Krishna is observed in amorous encounters.
आलिंगन पास में बद्ध होकर मनोहर रासलीला के विलास के लिए लालसान्वित हो रहे हैं.
Encounters with the young gopis, she says, "Look, Sakhi, look, just see how Krishna, possessed by an eager desire for captivating amorous sports, is bound by the embrace of the young woman of Braj." One Goparamani is lovingly embracing Shri Krishna and sweetly singing. Another gopi is praising against Shri Krishna with her uplifted, hard breasts. One Goparamani with heavy hips is blooping with prema on the pretext of whispering into his ear. She fulfills her heartfelt wish by kissing him. Shri Krishna is also increasing the love of the beautiful women of Braj by embracing and kissing them and pleasing them with his smiling sidelong glances. Shri Hari, not considering right or wrong, display his charming pastimes with the Gopramanis in the spring season. With his body, which is exquisitely soft like a dark blue lotus flower, he creates a great festival of Cupid by awarding the nectar longed for by the Braj Sundaris. He is freely embracing and touching them, thus manifesting himself as personage of Shangaras. So the word Indivara in the text indicates coolness, the word Shreni indicates relishing, ever fresh, mellows. Shamala indicates its beauty and Kamla indicates its extreme softness. So now we are going to describe the text number 24. Yada yado divan balla devan madhuripur asur lochan patham
श्लोक नंबर 24. Yes. मधुरपुर श्री कृष्ण जब से दैववश मेरे नयन गोचर हुए हैं, तब से इस
हरि बोल
मेरे चित्त को हरण कर लिया है.
हरि बोल
फिर भी पुनः जिस मुहूर्त में
हरि बोल
मेरे दृष्टिगोचर हुए, तब मैं समस्त
हिंदी वाली एक्चुअली वायर ही नहीं है. हाँ ठीक ठीक ठीक. हाँ ठीक ठीक अभी करता हूँ.
देखते ना पाइनु नेत्र भरे, पुनः यदि कनक्षण कराय कृष्ण दर्शन, तभी से घटे खनफल दिया माल्य चंदन नाना रत्न आभरण अलंकृत करिमु सफल. बहुत सुंदर श्लोक है. यदा जातु दैवनो मधुपिषु लोचनस्य तदा आस्मतो चेतु मदन इसमें कह रहे हैं ये जगन्नाथ वल्लभ नाटक किसने लिखा?
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ नाटक is written by
रायरमंद की रचित जो है जगन्नाथ वल्लभ नाटक.
So Jagannath Vallabha Natak is written by the Raya Ramananda. When Before meeting Mahaprabhu, Raya Ramanand retained this Jagannath Vallabha Natak.
गवर्नर थे।
उसको ऑफ ही कर दो, उसको ऑफ ही कर दो प्रो, ऑफ ही कर।
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ जी के, किंतु तथापि कैसे रसिक
So,
हैं?
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ
इस प्रकार एक तो साधन भजन भी करते थे, हैं? भगवत नाम कीर्तन आदि करते थे, और साथ ही साथ राजकार्य परिचालन भी करते थे। वो गवर्नर थे, गवर्नर ऑफ साउथ इंडिया,
Raya Ramanand. So Raya Ramanand was the governor of South India, and he was also doing writing all kinds of Rasa Shastra,
और सभा कवि भी थे,
and he was also the poet of the
आदि होती थी।
King Prataputra. So whenever there are so much big assemblies was held in the courtyard of King Prataputra, so he used to be a Sabhapati there.
ऐसे साधारण नहीं।
He is not an ordinary personality in this material world also. So in that assembly there are many kinds of Advaitvadi like Sarvam Bhattacharya.
शंकर फिलोसोफर थे, अद्वैतवाद। उस सभा में
So in that assembly, so Ramanand was the Sabhapati, so that's why he used to give in all the times the last lecture. So at that last lesson, he used to talk about so beautiful Padavali about the Shri Radha Krishna, and he used to describe the Ras Madhurya Kathas of Shri Radha Krishna, because he was the Sabhapati. So because general speaker used to take only 5 minutes, 10 minutes times, but Sabhapati, the person who is taking care of all the speakers, so he always speaks at last. So Raya Ramanand in that assembly, he used to speak so beautiful Harikatha. So seeing his speech or listen his speech after Abdaitvali, so much shocked, that amazed that how he is speaking very nicely. But Advaitvadi, they were not getting so much interest in Harikatha, especially. So the Sambhogmay Leela of Shri Radha Krishna, Raya Ramanand was described there, and all Advaitvadi and Jnani people, they used to do laugh and jokes. They used to laugh on Raya Ramanand. So in this way here it is also saying, Bhaktivinoda Thakur describing, he is quoting the shloka. Jagannath Vallabh Natak describes the happiness the gopis feel when they finally see Shri Krishna after being separated from him. In other words, it describes their condition when they meet.
मदनिका संतना देती है, वही कहती है, आप क्यों इस प्रकार उदास हो रही हो? देखो नव विकसित केतकी पुष्प के मनोहर सौरभ धारा भ्रमर दूर से ही आकृष्ट होता है।
So this text written by Raya Ramananda describes Shri Radha's deep attachment for Shri Krishna, which she expresses to intimate friends Madanika. Her friend consoles her, saying, "Why are you so sad? Just see." So there is a katha in Jagannath Vallabha Natak. Shri Raya Ramananda, he was describing once Krishna in the Sanidhya of Gururaj, when he was doing the cow herding with his friends, seeing that Krishna, Radhika wrote one letter to Krishna. So the subject of that letters, so when we will meet you so much deeply.
और श्रीमती राधिका अपने
Eternal,
भाव को जो है वो व्यक्त किया
permanently we will meet you.
है।
Like
कृष्ण का दिवारात्र कृष्ण के लिए ही
how day and night they are suffering for Krishnas.
है। इसलिए
So that's why
उस पत्र के पढ़ करके है, उस पत्र के पढ़ करके कृष्ण है अंदर हृदय में बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई
so
है।
after reading that letter, Krishna was so much pleased internally, but externally
भावता प्रकाश
he was describing the Bhame Bhavta.
है।
Somebody is calling,
अथवा अवहिता भाव जिसको कहा जाता है,
which is called the Avritta Bhav.
भाव को गोपन करना कहा जाता है। कृष्ण देखो उस पत्र को पढ़ करके क्या की है,
Krishna, after read that letter, what he did?
उदासीनता प्रकाश की
So he expresses his
है। उदासीनता जानते हो?
sadness.
उदासीन मां है।
उदासीन?
जैसे हमारे उनके साथ कोई
नहीं नहीं.
लेन देन नहीं है।
Insomnia, it's not like
है।
insomnia.
और उस समय जो है
How you can?
मदनिका फिर लौट करके आई।
So at the time, मतलब he was presenting his neutral nature, that like.
राधा जी के सखी
So the Madanika, she returned back in that letter, according to that letter,
उदासीनता को
and seeing that this kinds of nature of Krishna, when he was so much depressed,
राधा
like,
जी के निकट व्यक्त करने लगी।
so she was expressing feelings
तब राधा
to
जी अत्यंत दुखित हुई।
Krishna.
बोले मैंने पत्र लिखा,
हाँ।
पत्र की किसी प्रकार उत्तर देना तो नहीं है और उदासीनता दिखाया है।
Udasinata. Detachment. So what Krishna shows his detachments towards that letter. So Radhika was thinking, and Madanika, the friends of Srimati Radhika, when she returned back to Radhika and she expressed all the feelings that whatever Krishna was feeling that time. So what happened? So seeing when Madanika expressing all these things, so Radharani became so much depressed that Krishna is not replying so much nicely. I wrote a beautiful letter, still he is not, treating it so nicely. So Krishna just read the letter and
जैसे अननोन पर्सन कुछ मेल करे, आप सोचेंगे ये क्या है, ब्लैकमेल, उसका आप क्या करोगे, ब्लॉक करके अथवा डिलीट कर दोगे।
अच्छा, indifference, yes.
एक अननोन में क्या बोले पर्सन मेल आता है ना,
just somebody is writing you a mail so much which is not necessary, because there are so much cheaters are there also.
पैसा रख करके गया, वो गया, मैं आपको डोनेट कर चाहता हूँ है, और आप अपने
account number दे दो.
डिटेल्स दे दीजिए।
So there are now so much cyber crime is going on. Some people are writing to mail to someone that I have so much property in inheritance and I would like to give some donation to someone. So please give me your bank details. So in this way, after taking the bank details, they created so much drama. So this is called the blackmailing. Blackmailing.
कहने की तात्पर्य है,
So what is the mean to say?
ये कृष्ण राधा जी के दिए हुए वह पत्र के पढ़ करके,
So after reading that letter, which is given by the Srimati Radhika, so he was just expressing his indifference. So Madanika told all the story to Radhika, and after hearing this all, Radhaji was so much depressed, and then Radha ji, she started crying. So seeing this kinds of so much distress of Madanika has given so much sympathy to Radhika. What is she saying?
हे राधे, आप
Hey Radhe,
इस प्रकार उदास हो रही हो,
why are you so sad like this? Look,
कृष्ण तुम्हारे पर उदास है, कोई बात नहीं,
Krishna is indifferent from you. Then why are you so indifferent towards him?
उदास होना नहीं
You cannot be sad.
है। देखो
Look.
नवविकसित केतकी पुष्प के मनोहर सौरभ द्वारा ब्रह्मा दूर से आकृष्ट हो।
So the captivating fragrance of the newly blossomed ketki flowers attracts the bumblebees from afar.
देखने अपूर्व
Just like
सुंदर।
this worldly example is giving, the ketki flower is so much beautiful. So seeing that flower, the bumblebee attracts toward that flowers.
fragrance के द्वारा भ्रमर क्या होता है?
So after taking that fragrance, the bumblebee so much attracts and comes to that tree, comes to that flowers,
और पुष्पों के ऊपर वो घूमते रहते हैं।
and he wandering over the
उस केतकी
flowers.
पुष्पों में यदि
But
कोई रस नहीं हो,
But is there is no so much rust in that ketki flowers,
है,
so
तो पुष्प का त्याग नहीं करता हुआ, तब भी भ्रमर जो है बार बार उस केतकी पुष्प की चारी तरफ
if there is no rust, still that bumblebee will wandering over the flowers here and there, here and there.
क्यों
Why?
है? स्वाभाविक रूप से उसके सब रस सुगंध है।
Because spontaneously they have the fragrance,
उस केतकी पुष्प में रस माधुर्य नहीं, ये रस नहीं,
but there is no rust because there is a fragrance, but there is no rust in that flower.
किंतु सुगंध आदि के द्वारा व सौंदर्य आदि के द्वारा तो भ्रमर आकृष्ट होकर के घूमता रहता है।
So, after seeing the beauty or the fragrance of that flower, Brahma wandering here and there.
को देखकर
So, in this way, seeing these kinds of
आप आकृष्ट
face of Krishna,
देखो, उनमें कोई प्रेम नहीं है अथवा प्रेम रहने पर
you are attracted towards him, but he doesn't have any kinds of love and rust, so you should abandon him.
है?
But if the bumblebees find no honey in flower over which it is hovers, does it not abandon the flower? Similarly, you became attracted by seeing Krishna's lotus face, but Krishna had no such prem, and even if Krishna has prem, he has no understanding of how much prem you have, so it is only appropriate to give him up.
किंतु आकृष्ट होकर के प्रेम की यदि प्रतिदान नहीं मिले तब क्या करना चाहिए? प्रतिदान प्रतिदान क्या है?
Reciprocate, आदान प्रदान, reciprocate.
प्रेम की यदि आदान प्रदान नहीं तो प्रेम एक तरफा बन जाता है।
So if there is no reciprocation in love, so it is just one-sided love, so there is no use of that love. Dadati pratiginnati means that love must be, must be transmission, means exchanging in love, so there is no importance of that love. So that's why that Madanika Sakhi, she is giving the sympathy to Shrimati Radhika.
उन्हें छोड़ दिया, तो ऐसे कहकर भयभीत चित्त से कंपित होकर कंपायन स्वर से कहने लगे रे सखी।
So Shri Radha contained herself and then replied, "All right, I will now give him up." She shuddered, her heart full of fear, and then with a trembling voice said, "O Sakhi, I have given him up as you told me, but I cannot give my memories of his beauty and qualities." So Radha ji is saying, because he is not loving me, so I have given him up. But after giving him up, I cannot forget his beautifulness, his qualities. It's not, I cannot forget all these things. It is mentioned in the Brahma Gita also. So Radha ji started so beautifully Katha. Mrigurupi Kapind.
के अरी कौन है? व्याध को मारत है। देखो तुम्हारे जो माने श्रीमती राधिका महाभाव में स्थित होकर
when Shrimati Radhika observed in Mahabhav,
कृष्ण के ऊपर से जो है वो निंदा करे,
so externally she is criticizing Krishna.
निंदा छले स्तुति, ऊपर से
which is
निंदा
called the
करती है,
Stuti.
किंतु वास्तव में उसके गुणावली को कीर्तन करती
So actually she is criticizing, but actually it is a Stuti. She is
देखो,
describing the
तुम्हारे
qualities of
ये
Krishna.
भगवान, तुम जब जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तो उनके 3 जन्म की कथा हमें याद है, हैं? उनके राम अवतार की कथा सुना देता हूँ। मृगविंद्र धर्मा। अच्छा बताओ, इस जगत में कोई व्यक्ति है?
Okay, tell me, in this
उसी
world there is
शिकार करने वाले
someone.
लोग जो है, उन्हें पक्षी की तो शिकार करते हैं, सुना है। आज तो कभी सुना नहीं है बंदर को शिकार किया।
So some people are accepting the words, but who
किंतु
accept the
तुम्हारे
monkeys?
प्रभु
But your
राम
Prabhu,
अवतार में,
in the incarnation of Ram,
और वो एक बंदर को मारा। कौन सा बंदर को मारा?
Bali,
बाली को।
he killed one
वो भी तो मारा, तो मारा
monkey
कैसे मारा?
which is called Bali, and he killed him by hiding himself and from backward.
हैं?
He
एक तो
killed him.
आमने-सामने युद्ध क्षत्रिय होता है, इधर तो
So
जाता है
what is the
क्षत्रिय।
duty of a Kshatriya? That he should battle
क्षत्रिय के कर्तव्य क्या है?
from the front side. This is the duty of the
ललकारने वाले
Kshatriya.
व्यक्ति को क्या करना
So what
चाहिए?
is the duty of Kshatriya? That whenever the person who is calling him or provoking him, so he should come in front and confront that person. But your Prabhu, what he has did
बाली को क्या
in the
किया?
incarnation of Ram,
एक तो छुप करके मारा,
so first
दूसरी
he hid
क्या है?
himself and then he
उसको
killed
पीछे से बांधा।
Bali.
हैं? तो ये कही दो, मुझे ये कभी
So
विकृति-
this is not good.
हैं? और दूसरी बात कहते हैं,
And the second thing,
हैं? इसमें कहते हैं मैं तो स्त्रीजीत, हैं? अरे स्त्रीजीत और स्त्री अजीत, स्त्री को जय किया, काम को जय किया क्या नहीं? इधर कहते तो मैं ब्रह्मचारी हूँ,
so
ब्रह्मचारी
one side you are saying that I am the brahmachari. One side you are saying that I am the brahmachari.
धारण किया,
And Jatayut.
हैं? और जटायु
So Ramchandra is saying this way in the form of Ram. Huh?
तीर धनुष के काम को लेकर चलते हैं।
Huh, just he was saying that I am a saint.
सन्यासी की क्या जरूरत
I am
है?
the saintly person. He has so much long jatas. So now he is taking weapons, the arrows and the bows.
अरे हम अस्त्र लेकर
Why they are
कब
carrying
चलते
him?
हैं?
What is the need of
जब
that?
हमारे
When
पास बहुत धन संपत्ति
so he is a sannyasi, and so there is no use of all these kinds of things. If you have so much money that you should take some weapons for safety point of view. But sannyasi doesn't have anything. So what is the use of that? In Vrindavan there are so much monkeys. So if you are going, so you have to keep one stick in your hand. Otherwise, monkeys will attack you. So this is another thing.
अच्छा ये ब्रह्मचारी होकर के क्या किया? अपने स्त्री के सुंदरी स्त्री को लेकर के घूम रहे। ये
Oh,
ब्रह्मचारी के लक्षण थोड़ी
so being a brahmachari, he is carrying his lady with him always.
ब्रह्मचारी वेश।
First he has put on the brahmachari ways like so much long jatas and saffron cloths, and now what he is doing, he is wandering here and there with his wife. So it is not good.
साधु वेश धारण किया, लाल कपड़ा धारण किया,
So he
और लाल कपड़ा धारण
in
किया
the
तो-
Ramayana Ramananda Sagar, the TV telecast, we have seen that he was putting on the saffron cloths and behaving like a brahmachari, but in the forest he is
अच्छा,
wandering
चलो, कोई बात
with his wife. So what is the use to take of wife?
हमें क्या लेना देना?
So whatever the clothes you are putting on, so we don't think about that, but we don't
ये
care
स्त्री
about
आई-
that.
अपने इतने सुंदर रूप को प्रकाश किया, कामदेव की भी पराभूत करने वाली इतने सुंदर रूप को धारण किया। और रूप के धारण करके चलने लगे।
So one lady
और उनके
came.
सुंदर रूप देख करके सब स्त्रियां मोहित हो गई। और उसमें एक विशेष रूप के पुतना नाम से, मैं पुतना कह रहा हूँ,
Supanka.
शूर्पणखा।
So what happens? There was a lady. She got so much beautiful form,
उसके पास आई।
and she attracted towards you, and she came to you and would like to get married with you. So what is her fault?
शूर्पणखा के दोष क्या थे?
What was her fault?
स्वाभाविक है
spontaneously,
हमारे
if
प्रभु ने किया कि राम
because
अवतार
your
में इतने
Prabhu in the
सुंदर रूप धारण
incarnation of
किया,
Ram, he got so
जिसको
beautiful
देख करके
form. So seeing
सुपर्णखा
that
भी
everybody was attracted, even Suparnkha also was attracted towards your
और
Prabhu,
प्रस्ताव भी दिया बोलते
and she gave
बहुत
the
सर्व
proposal.
स्वभावशाली उतना एक
And
अरे
Suparnkha. So she giving the proposal to Ram because she said that please get married with me, because this kinds of capable person like you, like the capable person like you and the capable lady like me, now in not no will be available in the future and the past.
और साक्षात में बोल दिया
So simply she proposed Shri Ram. She never hid
अच्छा ठीक
anything.
है तो वो कहने लगे मैं तो एक पत्नी व्रत
So now he said, no, I am the one woman man, so I cannot marry you,
मैंने वचन दिया
because at the time of marriage I have
एक और
promised to my wife that I will be one woman man. So
कि तुमने उसको फुटबॉल के साथ खेला क्यों
why you played with her like a football, here and there, here and there, you hitting her here and there. If you didn't want to get married with her, so you denied simply that I don't want to get married. But what you said that you can go to Lakshman. Ramchand, when Suparnkha came, she told to Ramchand that I would like to get married with you. So Ramchand said that I am married and I am also one woman man. So you can do one thing, you can ask to my brother Lakshman.
तो सुपर्णखा बोली कोई भी बात नहीं है मैं तो इसको खा जाऊंगी
When Ramchand said this kind, said I have one wife also, she is with me. So Suparnkha said no problem, I can eat her.
और मैं जैसे सुंदरी
Eat her up.
आप जैसे सुंदर पुरुष न हो तो न पुरुष
So because you, the beautiful man like you and the beautiful lady like me, it cannot be appeared again and again. So that's why you should get married with me. And if there is a issue with the Sitaji, so I will eat her.
एक पत्नी व्रत
So Ramchand said, I am one woman man. At the time Lakshman came.
लक्ष्मण के साथ लेकर के उनके तरफ देखा एक
So seeing the Lakshman, she said, who is he? So Ramchand said, he is my younger brother. So Ramchand said, like this.
अच्छा इधर तो रामचंद्र उसको किसके पास भेज दिया
Lakshman. So Ramchand said her to Lakshman.
लक्ष्मण क्या बोले
And then what Lakshman said?
बोले देखो
Look,
आप राजकन्या होकर
so you are the princess,
एक सेवक के साथ क्यों शादी
and how you can get married with a
आप
servant?
सेवक के साथ शादी
I am the
क्या बन गए सेविका बनना
and if you get married with me, so you will be a servant, maid servants, because I have to serve my brother Lord Ram, and you have to serve also. So Lakshmana said like this.
सुपर्णखा बोली मैं
So Suparnkha says, I won't be servant, I won't be the maid servant, I won't be the slave. Okay, so you go there. So Lakshman said like this. So she came back again to Ramchandra.
दोबारा जब आई
So when she came back another time,
सीता रहेगी
so seeing,
ये रामचंद्र शायद मुझे शादी नहीं करेंगे इसलिए सुपर्णखा ने की सीता जी को खाने के लिए है
so Suparnkha think that still there, because their Sita ji is available, so Ram will not get married with me. So she started to eating Sita ji. So Lakshman, when Lakshman saw this scene, so he cut his nose and ear.
शादी करना नहीं है शादी ना करो ना करो अरे पूरा ही मार
Okay,
देंगे
first you would like, first the thing, you, if you don't want to get married with him, so you simply denied, but you are playing with her, you go here, you go there. So making a lady cruel or very ugly, it's not your duty. If you want, if you can kill her, you can kill her fully, but you just cut the nose of her and ears, but you did not kill her completely, and you made her so ugly and left her.
अरे उनको क्या वो बेचारी को उनके क्या दोस्त थे
And what was her fault?
दोस्त तो तुम्हारा है
This is your fault.
करे हैं राम
So Radhaji is saying, Radhaji is saying in this way. किससे बोल रहे राधा जी गुरुदेव? किससे बोल रहे राधा जी? Brahmar से. So Radha ji is telling this all katha to Brahmar, the bumblebee. So this is the story of Brahmar Geet.
ऐसे भी कि राम अच्छा राम अवतार के छोड़ दो
And if you leave the Ram avatar,
बलि महाराज की कथा
so listen the story of Bali Maharaj. He was so simple.
दान देने के लिए बैठे और तुम्हारे प्रभु
He was sitting to give charity,
राधा जी कहने
and your Prabhu said, Radhaji is saying in this way to Brahmar,
वामन रूप के रूप धारण करके
and your Prabhu got the form of Vaman Dev. Yes,
वामन रूप धारण करके
dwarf बोलते हैं ना.
और बलि महाराज
So dwarf form. And the Bali Maharaj said that I need some because I am the son of Brahman, so you should give me some donation. So Bali Maharaj said, yes, you can ask anything, whatever you want. Why not? So here Vaman Dev,
मैं तो ब्राह्मण निर्लोभी हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
Vaman said that I am a Brahman and I am just little, so you can give me just 3 steps of land.
मैं बलि महाराज के सर्वस्व
So what Vaman Bhagwan did, he got the Trivikram, he made the Trivikram form. This is all katha you have heard already.
और तीसरी और एक कथा की विचार
And the third katha also was there.
ये देखो यथा धन शब्द धन से शब्द के अर्थ होता है कौवा।
So there was a crow.
कौवा क्या करता है? जिस पत्तल में खाता है उस पत्तल को भी छेद करता है।
So this is the nature of the crow. So in the plates he will eat, he will make a hole there. Just like if someone is going for taking the ingredients for puja aarti, so that crow will comes and attack on that plates and he will make a hole there also. He will eat all the ingredients and will make a hole on the plate also. Why? This crow, because the crow's color is black and your Prabhu color is also black. So Srimati Radhika in this way saying, so there is no fault of your Prabhu. The fault of your Prabhu's color. He is black insidely and externally. So in this shloka, Radhaji is so much criticizing to Krishna. So Brahma, the bumblebee, said at last, okay, there are so many faults. So there are so many faults of my Prabhu. Then why are you speaking about him? You should say some different katha. Why are you talking about him? So Radhaji said, this is my fault, that I cannot leave his katha, because he has so beautiful pastimes which I cannot leave. So in this way Radhaji is saying here in the shlokas, the text number 24 on the bhajan rasa. Now we are coming here. O Saki, I have given up as you told me, but I cannot give my memories of his beauty and qualities. As much as I try to forget him, to that degree memories arise in my mind of his gentle, soft smiling lotus face and his reddish bimba fruit-like lips, on which the bansi splendidly rests. Krishna's Naam, Roop, Guna, Leela is I cannot leave the Krishna's Naam, Roop, Guna, Leela. I can leave him, but I cannot leave his Naam, Roop, Guna, Leela. This is the speciality of Krishna. Once if Krishna's name enters in somebody's hearts, so he cannot leave him. Just like there is a stick for holding fishes, catching fishes. So at the last of the thread there is a kinds of thorn. And what the fish used to do? There is a little ingredients for eating. She eat that, and after when she eat that, so the thorns is stuck in her neck. In the same way, this is the glory of Krishna's name. Once somebody hear the Krishna name, Krishna Katha, so when Krishna entered in his heart, so he cannot come out. If there is a throne like somebody, some are straight and some are very zigzag. So if it is cut, if it's tease your feet, so it cannot come out. So you have to cut all your feet. there's a kokur
उसके पैर
kata
में लग जाने पर
thrones. If it
आप
is,
सीधी जो है निकाल नहीं पाओगे।
if it is in your feet, so it cannot be released easily. So you have to cut your skin cell little bit. And some are straight stones. Then if goes your feet straightly, so you can take them out easily. But some are very zigzag, so you cannot take that out easily. So in this way, Krishna Nam, Rup, Gun, Leela, all are zigzag, teda.
सरल है।
Ram is very simple. Ram Nam is very simple.
राधा बोलो,
Radha,
कितने सरल है।
very simple, very easy. Radha, Ram. But Krishna Nam, Krishna. It's very teda. It's
तीन
Krishna.
बार जो है जिहे को जिहा
So
को
three times you have to turn your tongues for chanting Krishna. Krishna.
कृष्ण जैसे टेढ़ा,
So
उनका नाम भी ऐसे ही
Krishna is teda and his name is also teda. Teda means crooked. Crooked.
हाँ, सब crooked
Zigzag. Everything is crooked. Teda.
इसलिए कहते हैं,
So,
देखो श्रीमती राधिका
In this way,
कार्य में
Srimati Radhika is saying,
कृष्ण कथा त्याग देने में
that's why I cannot give up the Krishna Katha. I am so much unable to Krishna Katha. So how much I will try to give up all these kathas, so as much as I will remember.
कोमल बाकी बिंब फल के सदृश आरोपी अधर
So as we discussed that
जिनकी वंशी विराजमान है उस मनोहर दर्शन के समय वदन व आनंद नाम
when I receive this enchanting darshan, two enemies, Madan, Cupid, and Anand, joy, appear and obstruct my vision.
देखिनु से दुई ऐसे
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is described
सही काले आइलो दुई वैरी आनंद र मदन हरि लीलो मोर मन ये देखो आओ नेत्र बोले कृष्ण नाम रूप
Krishna Nam Rup Guna Katha. It's so sweet,
और इतने हृदय को जो है वो ग्रसित कर देता है,
which so much
हृदय में फंस जाता है
so much attracts the hearts.
उसके निकलना संभव
So no one can come out from that. If somebody is engaged himself, that he cannot come out.
नहीं। जे काले बा सपने देखने से चांद बदन सही काले आयु दी अकस्मात कृष्ण कभी हमारे आंगन में
If suddenly Krishna appeared in our courtyard,
देख करके
so seeing his beautiful form,
आनंद अनुभव होता
so there will be so much joy in our heart, pleasure in our heart,
है मदन
and as well as we will get so much Madan, means Cupid, in our heart. So we will be so much intoxicated towards him, just like somebody drink alcohol and he will be so much intoxicated. Where is his head, where is leg, where is feet. So you cannot understand. In the same way, when calm attract you or intoxicated you,
आरोलित और विडुलित कर देता
your heart will be disturbed.
है।
What?
इसलिए राधा जी का जे काले में सपने
Liquor,
देखने से
yes.
चांद बदन बदन से काले आयु दुई वही आनंद और मदन
Flicker means
आनंद में क्या होता
chanchal.
है? अश्रु आता है आंसू की धारा है?
Restless.
है? आंसू की धारा है? इतने प्रभावित होता है tears, प्रेम का।
Tears.
बंधनी
So after hearing the katha of Krishna, your tears will come out from your home, and when the tears are rolling down from the eyes, so you will take the darshan of Krishna.
आनंद में उसका है अनेक दिनों के बाद जब अपने प्राण गोविंद के मिलते हैं
When after a long time, when the gopis meet with their Pran Govind, Prankant Govind, so the tears comes out from their eyes.
आचर भरिया यदि मानी को पाई प्रभु हम प्यारे दुरो देश में पठाई सुदीर्घ विप्रलंब के बाद
After Sudirga Vipralam,
किया तो मिलते
when we meet with our Pran Priyatatam, and after taking the darshan of him, we get so much pleasure in our hearts, we cannot describe that.
तो उस समय श्रीमती
Whatever
राधिका
the
को ये
pleasure we get, we cannot describe. So in the same time, somebody Sakhis of Radharani says, please tell me your heart's feeling.
विप्रलंब के पश्चात अपने प्राण गोविंद के प्राप्त करके आपके हृदय में कौन सा भाव उत्पन्न।
So after taking a darshan of your Prankan Govind, what kinds of bhav, feelings comes in your mind?
कि कई बस की और आनंद
So Radha Rani is saying,
माधव मंदिर मोरे, ये माधव कृष्ण,
Hey Madhav Krishna,
मेरा हृदय रूपी मंदिर में रहे।
hey Madhav, you always resides in my heart.
मानिक पाई, जो कोई अंचल भर करके मुझे मणि मानिक का दे दे, कहे हे राधे तुम्हारे प्राण प्रथम गोविंद को मुझे दे दो।
If somebody asks me, if somebody give me so much money, the jewels, the ornaments, and if says, hey Radhe, keep this all and give me your Krishna. So Radha ji is saying, I cannot give him anyhow. So Radha is saying in this way, so if somebody give me something, some ornaments with full of bags, and says that for few days you can give me your Pran Priyatam Govind. So Radha ji is not able to give him. She is saying, no, I cannot give him. Still, so the further katha we are going to start. बुलाने की कोशिश करो. So when I received the enchanting darshan, what kinds of behavior I have to deal with, how I have to deal with him, so I cannot understand. So, oh Sakhi, I have given up, and as you told, but I cannot give my memories of his beauties and qualities. As much as I try to forget him, to that degree memories arises in my mind of his gentle, soft smiling lotus face and his reddish bimba fruit-like lips on which the Vanshi splendidly rests. When I received the enchanting darshan, two enemies, Madan and Cupid Anand, appear and obstruct my vision. So after saying all this thing, Radhaji got fainted. So saying this, Radha lost her consciousness and fainted due to her increased longing to have Shri Krishna's darshan. This longing caused an expansive happiness to arise in heart, and she was overwhelmed with a deep yearning of Shri Krishna with her body. Later, Shri Radha said to Madanika, O Sakhi, if Krishna presents himself before me now, I will not let these two enemies, Madan and Anand, enter my heart, and I will gaze upon him to full my satisfaction. When Radhaji's consciousness gone, when Radhaji's consciousness came back, so she was expressing her feelings. If Krishna comes to me, then I will defeat two enemies, Kam or Anand. Kam or Anand. Madan or Anand. I will defeat two kinds of those enemies, and I will take the darshan of Krishna with full of my heart. So enter my heart, and I will gaze upon him to my full satisfaction. I will decorate the memories that give me sight of my beloved with the garland, sandalwood, paste, and many jewels ornaments. So Vrindavan Mere Lal ki jai. We will discuss tomorrow. There are two shlokas are only left, 25 and 26. So tomorrow maybe this bhajan rest is completed. I would like to finish it today, complete it today, but it is not possible. But tomorrow only there is one shlok left, 25th. Shlok? Classes? Yes. 256 around, I maybe. तीन महीने से you started March. अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, 4 महीने कुछ दिन, 4 months some days.
4 महीने हो गए।
So it's around
1 महीने में
120.
1 महीने में 30 क्लास होता है। चलो देखिए शायद 4 महीने में कितना होगा?
120, 120.
120 नहीं 20 अच्छा वो 20 जो क्लास है ये भजन
हाँ, something around 130-35 classes हैं. There are maybe 135 and 140 classes of bhajan ras hai, maybe, if I am not wrong. What do you think? In these 4 months,
की कथा जो है
this bhajan ras katha we will be continue.
अभी क्या करेंगे?
Prem Samput.
साल के बाद जो है
After tomorrow, we will start Prem Samput. I give the class of Prem Samput Granth. Yes, Vishwanath Chakradipad. Yes. Prem Samput is written by Vishwanath Chakradipad.
उपजा के रूप में आई हमारे मायावी के रूप में तो कटा नहीं है, वो स्वरूप में आ गया ना, खाने दौड़ी ना जो वो खाने ये दौड़ी
So here the question is asked by someone, some Prabhuji, Vaibhav Prabhu. He asked that Gurudev, when Suparnika came in the form of Mayavi, so she can get her ear and nose also get back. So Gurudev is saying here, she came in a Mayavi form, but when Lakshman cut her nose and ear, so at that time she was in her original form, demon's form. So after kidnapping Marish, there is no, you cannot find anything about Suparnika there, where she went and what she did. Brahmavaivarta Purana. So about her, there is a katha in Brahmavaivarta Purana and Padma Purana that what Suparnika did. Suparnika left.
वास्तव रूप में सुपर्णखा सीता हरण की जो प्रलोभन जो दिया,
Actually, whatever the praloban, the greed was given to
रामचंद्र
kidnapping Sita for to Rama, because Suparnika knew
कोई साधारण नहीं,
that Ramchandra is not an ordinary personality. Because when he killed
प्रतीत हो गया कि ये सच्चे
Suparnika was appeared of himself, she was thinking that he must be Bhagwan. Otherwise, Prabhu,
जो पर दूषण आदि
because how Ramchand can kill the Khardushan? It's not possible to them. And that time, what happened? When Khardushan was, fighting with him,
अकेला राम कैसे उसके
so Ram only cannot kill him. So that's why she was thinking, Suparnika,
विचार लगा था
she thought in her mind that I will destroy whole the dynasty of Raman, because
कथा भी पुराण में है,
there is a katha is Puranin also. When Suparnika, she got married with in the Naglok Satyabrat Jait. Yes, you told one katha. Satyabrat Satyarth ऐसे करके नाम था. Suparnika's husband name. Suparnika's husband name Gurudev told this katha.
एक राजपुर कोई राज
He was
सब लोग माने नाग
in the Naglok, in the Snacks Lok, there was a man who Suparnika got married with her. I don't know his husband name, Satya, something like was that.
उनके साथ में विवाह दी,
So she got married with him. Naglok ke.
नाग लोग के जो भूल गया उनके साथ विवाह,
So she got married with that Naglok boy.
जब आए
So
रावण बिगड़ गए,
when she came back, so Ravan was so much angry on her, and Ravan said, "He is my enemy. How dare you? You can get married with her? How you can marry with her? With him?" So what Ravan did?
वो उसके कर दिया, मार दिया।
He killed her husband. So Ravan killed the husbands of Supankha. So now what happened?
रावण जब मर गया तब उस समय सुपर्णखा विचार करने
At that
लगी,
time, Supankha was
तुम मुझे
thinking,
दुल्हा बना दी।
"Oh, now I am widow,
बात समझ रही?
and I will take the revenge.
तो तुमको भी मैं
I will destroy your whole dynasty." So in this way, Supankha, she took an oath that I will.
भगवान विष्णु छोड़ करके भी कोई बात नहीं करनी।
So Ravan got this kinds of benediction that except Vishnu, no one can kill him.
सुपर्णखा को नहीं पता था।
So Supankha knew this.
जब
So when Supankha
सीता हरण क्या बोले
Khardushan.
रामचंद्र
So when Supankha heard that Khardushan was defeated by Ram, so only Bhagwan can kill him. So this person only can kill my brother. So in this way,
रावण वंश की ध्वंस की कारण कौन है?
Supankha. So who is? So we are saying that who is the actually destroyer of Ravan Vansh, the dynasty of Ravan? The Supankha.
वास्तव में जो है रावण राक्षस वंश की ध्वंस के कारण है।
So Supankha. So Supankha is the cause of destroying all the dynasty of Ravan. Supankha, whose nails are so sharp, she is Supankha. Sup means sharp. This is one kind of sharp. Mangoose होते हैं ना एक उनके भी. So there is one kinds of animals whose nails were so sharp. So Supankha means whose nails are so sharp. So once she will attack you or snatch you, so you will be die. So this is kinds of Supankha is that. So there are many stories of Supankha. So now where Katha we were discussing. So in this way, when Sita was kidnapped, after kidnapping Sita, Supankha was thinking, now the time has come, my brother will die because whole the Ravana dynasty will be destroyed. So according to the Puran, so this is no description in Ramayana. So after kidnapping Sita, there is no role of Supankha, where she went, where she met. So there is no role of her. But in the Brahman Puran or Brahmavaivarta Puran, it is describing that Supankha, what she did, she left the Lanka and she went to and she went someplace and she did hard austerities. I don't know which place is that. And what she didn't get any kinds of fruit after this so hard austerities. And what she did, she took the shelter of Shukracharya. Then she took the shelter of that the Guru Shukracharya, because her nose and ear, and she is so ugly, it has been cut. So you have seen that the peoples who are putting so much burqa, that they are covering their face and black things. So these ladies, this tradition came from that Supankha. Actually, this tradition was started from Supankha in the Muslims community, and this is going on. So in our Hindu tradition, people used to the ladies only used to put some pallu. They used to cover only their head, but first they used to put on the black color. In the Muslim community, they used to put on black burqa. Nowadays you are saying, so nowadays people are putting this kinds of masks. So this reminds me the incidents of Supankha.
फिर काल पर्व में ये भी आ गया वो
And according to the Kal,
क्या बोले महावीर संप्रदाय जो है
there is a Sampradaya, Mahavir Sampradaya also come.
पानी अंदर में न चल जाए अनेक प्रकार के
So they don't want to take any jivas with their breath, so that's why they always put mask.
दोनों आँख केवल वो दिखाते हैं
केवल आँख दिखती है,
हैं?
केवल आँख.
मुसलमान के जो है
So in the Muslim tradition, the ladies of Muslims, they used to put on the burqa only, they shows their eyes only. Everything is packed.
उसी प्रकार के बुर्खा की
So in this way, the tradition of this burqa is came from Supanka. She is the origin lady of burqa. So this is the katha, okay? Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Then she went to Registan, the desert, and she stayed there. So there is a deeply described. Oh, give Gurudev water, bhaiya. Oh, give him water. Chalo. Anything else? Hare Krishna.
अच्छा, मुझे ध्यान आया कि वो माइक्रोफोन था किसके पास, उसका रिकॉर्डिंग जो करी है लाइव, वो तो अपने फ़ोन से कर रहा था कहीं पे लगा के. मेरे हाथ पे तो आया ही नहीं माइक्रोफोन.
आया था ना
कब आया मेरे हाथ
जब गुरुदेव आपने इमली करी थी ना, तो उसको मैंने बोला था गुरुदेव
पे?
रिकॉर्डिंग
समझ
करो.
ये नहीं मुझे, क्योंकि वो